Response has been very, very helpful to us. They provided us with all our initial training, which has been health and social care, first aid and health and safety in the workplace.
We work very closely with Response, which is excellent because we have about 1,000 people come to us each year saying, please can I volunteer somewhere. Lots of them don't really know what they want to do and they're a little bit nervous or lacking confidence about making that first step into volunteering. So what the Response course does is help them understand what volunteering is about, what they will get from it themselves, because it's not just about giving. Obviously it's great that they do give, but also there are benefits in terms of volunteering and things that they can get from it.
Some of our learners were quite lacking in confidence and a bit worried about it, reminded them of being back in school, and the tutors were absolutely brilliant, made them feel at ease, and their confidence was built significantly by the end of it. And the way I knew that is they were able to participate and ask questions.
Essentially the courses are aimed at people who are 19 plus, either low-waged or unemployed. So it's a very good way for young people to learn skills, to build up confidence. But having said that, it can be of any age above 19. I'm thinking particularly of mums who've had children now gone off to school and they think that maybe they haven't got the skills to get into work.
There was a person who'd worked in the care sector, I think for 3 or 4 years. She'd never done any first aid training and she'd never done any health and safety training. And she was just saying it was just new to her that she should wear gloves at certain times for her own protection and for the client's protection. And also she'd been very worried about what to do in an emergency in relation to first aid, and she now felt much better prepared, much more confident.
There's an assumption that volunteers are always retired people, but the reality is it's all ages, particularly younger people. So many young people these days, they get a taste of volunteering in school to begin with, but it's always a good way for them to improve their CVs when they're applying for jobs, if they're looking for a college or university course. And employers, colleges, they always regard people highly that have done something else with their lives and usually done a bit of volunteering. It definitely gives them kind of a step up when they're looking for work or a course.
I would say definitely contact Response. I think Response has been enormously helpful to us, and my experience is that they want to help and they will put themselves out to help people and to do something that works for them.
And I've certainly had people who've developed careers out of volunteering. For example, I've had people who wanted to get into the legal profession who've volunteered at places like the Citizens Advice Bureau. I've had people who wanted to work with people coming out of prison, and probation service is excellent for giving people the experience and the knowledge to get a job in that kind of world.